will admit, he's got a little bit of all. I think he's got way more balls than my old YZ. It's so much snappier.
490?
490?
Maybe the 250.
Yeah, the 250. It's got more snap than my old 250.
Nothing can beat 490.
When you have one big cylinder and one big carb and a huge kickstart.
So $600 and an hour of work.
Right. That's one way to wear out your nice new tires. Right on the road. Always right on the road, kids, with your brand new tires. That's what I would do. How was your rip?
Good.
Pretty good wheelies. I mean, that's one way to wear up those new tires, you know?
Yeah.
She sounds nice with the stock exhaust.
Oh, yeah.
How was the balance point when you got there?
It's pretty good. I'm just scared still.
I'd be in the grass.
I can't hit the gas and the tire spins out.
You gotta get some dirt. Road is just terrible for the tires, man.
Oh yeah, that's why. That's the most I've ever ridden on the road.
Yeah. I love burning out new tires. Can I ride it now? Guys, the camera guy finally gets to ride the bike. This is a new thing. And Steve, what are you doing over there?
I'm inspecting the weather right now.
You're inspecting?
Yes, if you want to hear the weather forecast, it sounds like partly cloudy with winds northeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour with a chance of rain, 50%.
Oh boy.
You drove the bike here.
He drove a bike today.
We also got a 25% chance of 2 inches of snow today.
Oh boy. You never rule that out in Wisconsin. You never rule that out.
Hey, bud.
Hey, bud.
Yeah, no, we're going to need a clutch soon, probably.
You're doing clutch ups, dude. Just power it.
It doesn't like to pick up and thing. Watch out.
We'll put a clutch in it.
A clutch for cheap.
Yeah.
It's like $60.
This guy's through 5 years
He's just
already.
dogging it.
It's the low end's pretty dog, but once you get to the mid range, she freaking hits.
Steve is being a little guy today. Get on her next time.
You can send her down the road if you want.
He's like, okay.
He's not even getting on her.
Hits fifth. Go for it.